Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can DM any person on Instagram. Any celebrity, both with tick or not tick marks, you can be able to send them a DM without the fear of action block. Before we proceed, please kindly head into your YouTube and click on type taking part. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. So let's go in and do this. So this problem occurs mostly if you're in Nigeria, you are experiencing this problem. So right now I'm going to head into my Instagram and I'm going to select somebody to start to chat with. And I'll check what's going to happen. So right now I'm just going to select a random person, so I'll just head into search. Okay, let's go Rema. Let's use Rema right now, so I'll just click on message and just type what message. I said hello. I type hello and I send it. And as you can see now, it says action block. This action was blocked. Please try again later. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to send message to this person without getting this action block. So let's go back and do this. So mostly if you're in Nigeria, you'll be experiencing this problem. It's based on the network you're using. But right now my network is low. So if you're in Nigeria or any part of the country and you're trying this and it doesn't work with your phone, it's obviously the network on your phone. So what you need to do, you change the network. So right now I'm going to try to change this network. I'm going to select another network. So I'm going to be using a Wi-Fi. And okay, I'm going to connect. It says they're connected. So let's go back and try to send the DM. Now as you can see, I'm turning off my mobile data. I'll turn it off. You can see right now my mobile data is off. So I just head into search and click on Rema, and I'm gonna say hello again. I'm gonna head into his DM and I'm gonna type in hello, and I'm gonna send. And as you can see now, this particular one has gone. So you should know it's because of the network you're using. So you can see right now the message has gone, it has been sent, and no action block has been received. You can see the first message, it has the mark. So I'm just going to click here and send. So you can see right now it works perfectly. So guys, if you try this and it worked for you, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much. I remain blessed. God bless Nigeria. God bless the world. Thank you so much.
Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move,